Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to set up Google Family Link. So to set up a Google Family Link, you can start by downloading the app. You can just simply go to your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store and find Google Family Link and then download it to your device. Now on the child's device, download the Family Link app for children and teens. Now open the app on the parent's device and sign in with the parent's Google account and then follow the prompts to add the child. If the child doesn't have a Google account, you can create one during this step. Now if they already have one, select it. Now open the Family Link app on the child's device. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may include entering a setup code from the parent's app and entering the child's account password to grant permission. Now once linked, use the parent's device to allow or block specific apps, set daily limits or bedtimes, or view the child's device location, and set restrictions on Chrome, Google Search, and YouTube. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.